Yo, what's up, good people? Today I'm going to show you how to um, download a video from Facebook and repost it on your own page or on your own account, and you still make money and still monetize. So basically, you go on your Facebook, and if you see a video like this, you see these are viral videos that are going viral right now. So you see this video, and then obviously you come here. Um, you basically gonna come on these three dots here, and then you copy the link. After you copy the link, you go on your browser, and then the link on um, on this this website called fdown.net, and then you download the video. Right, you wait for it, and then the video is definitely gonna download, and then you download the higher quality one, HD, right? And your video will download. As you can see here, my video is still downloading, right? So by the way, guys, in the meantime, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, right? If you see this video and you're interested in posting more viral moments or more viral videos on your YouTube channel or on your Facebook, and you want to make money and monetize, you can always download all these videos that you can see here. You can download all of these videos. You can download all of these videos and recreate them. Put your own face there, put your own weight there, put your own touches there, and then you can be able to make money through that. Facebook pays people that recreate all these viral videos and make them theirs, and that's exactly how you make money out of Facebook, out of Instagram, out of YouTube. So the most important thing here is what you need to do is you need to make sure that whenever you download these videos, right, you edit them, right? I'm going to show you guys right now how to edit them, right? And once you edit them, they become yours, they become your property, and then you can be able to use that property to make money. There's different videos, as you can see, there's different videos, there's different reels. If you scroll online here, you will always see different reels. You can always use all of these reels to recreate them and make them yours, and then you can make money. And that's exactly where everyone is making money. Everyone is making money online. If you have a Facebook account, it's not about scrolling and looking at people's videos. You also need to start making your own content creation every single day. So there's many videos that you can watch. Okay, there's many videos that you can download. There's many videos that you can recreate. So one thing that I want you guys to do is to make sure that you come to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is called Vuuka Mzansi Academy. As you can see here, I want you guys to come and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this is exactly where I'm going to be posting all my videos, all my tutorials, right? I've posted a couple of shorts. As you can see, one of my shorts has already reached 1,000 views. Okay, some of them 780, some of them 150. So I'm still starting, but like you can see that the channel is definitely growing and it's gonna grow. Okay, at the moment I only have 2 subscribers, already have 13 short videos, but I never actually posted a full length video. I'm posting shorts every single day. As you can see, if I come here to my channel and I go straight to my videos, I've been only posting shorts, and right now I'm gonna start posting more of this tutorial just to show you guys how to actually make viral moment and make videos. So I'm gonna start posting on videos now, right? So all my videos are gonna show on here, and then all my shorts are gonna show on here. As you can see, I already posted one today, but like this one hasn't got any views. Okay, so yeah, let's go back to what I'm teaching you guys. So my video is downloaded now, as you can see here, right? My video is almost done downloading. Let me see if I can. Okay, there we go. My video is here. So once the video is here, I go straight to CapCut. That's where I edit all my videos. Okay, so I just want to quickly do this because let me pause this video because it's gonna disturb me. So my CapCut, I'm gonna actually, because I already had projects that I've done before I open my last project. Because the only thing that I'm looking for here is my is actually my tag as well as I just need to, put message, catchy message so that people can be able to, click on my videos and watch the videos. So all your videos that you're gonna recreate, make sure that there's a catchy message on the video, or you can put a thumbnail so that people, when they see it, they can click it and then they can start watching. And then as soon as they start watching it, that's where you will start getting your views, all right? As well as you just start getting watch hours, and people they can be able to watch, come back on it again and watch it again and again. And then that's when you're gonna start making money on YouTube as well as on Facebook. So I own these two things here. I will copy these things and then I will just remove this video because I don't need it anymore. I will also remove this video because I don't need it anymore, right? And then I will import the video that I wanna work on, which is the one that I've done before. You will remember. And then I will drag this video down here, okay? Drag this video down here to my workspace, and then I also drag these things um, just down here so that I can be able to, work with them. So one thing that's important here, guys, is to make sure that when you're doing your edit, if your video is, like for example, this video here, 12 minutes. Wow, this video is 12 minutes long actually, this video is 12 minutes long. So you need to drag your tag to the end so that this will show on your video until it finishes. But like I don't want this video, or I don't want my video to be untidy. So I'm gonna come here also and like this because I don't want people to get irritated when they watch my videos. I want this thing to be very small here, and then I'm also gonna drag my tag and put it somewhere here. So let's see how does it look. Right? People that can be able to watch it. People that can be able to watch it. Okay. Yeah, it's a washable actually. Okay. So once I'm done with that, you need to make sure that here at the end everything is in order. Right? Everything ends exactly where it's supposed to end. Right? This is super awesome. I'm gonna take this thing just one more down here again so that it doesn't really disturb the video but it still shows my tab. So I want people to familiarize themselves with my tab. And then one thing that I wanna put here is this. You could already lost something here. But like I'm gonna actually, because I want people at the moment I'm pushing for people to subscribe to my channel. I want to make sure that along the way people can be able to, see that I want them to subscribe to my channel. Along the way I'm gonna put this, but I don't want this whole thing, so I'm gonna just quickly edit this. I'm gonna put a mask because I already did it before. So I know how to put a mask on this because I only want one. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Actually, I want this to start from here. I want this to start from here. I want this to come straight from here and say, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right? For me, this is fine. This is actually fine. So I want this thing to pop in my video. Maybe like, let's see how much is gonna pop in here. The video will play and play and play, and then this thing is gonna pop in here. in my YouTube channel or in my video, just say people let me come in, subscribe. Let's see how many seconds does it. Sorry guys, I'm not in the right space to talk loud. Like I don't want this thing to be long, I want this thing to be a second. I want this thing to be literally a second. There we go. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it at least after every minute actually. I want it to appear. This one. Okay. This is also fine. So I'm gonna use both of these things. I'm just gonna keep on, putting them along here maybe 4 times. Put one here at the end, drag it more so that once it's at the end. And so this video is gonna be like 10 minutes. Alright, that's that. You guys, please subscribe to my channel so that I can come back and do more videos for you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Although I was not in the right space, but like please, you can see everything is here. Thank you so much. Bye.